All right, I've never done an unboxing video before, so I thought I'd give that a shot. Here's the box that came yesterday, and let's see. You might think it's a batch of seafood with all these cods. In fact, you can tell from the logo, it's a Heil Sound mic. So, I think this is the PR-77D, the purple. And the thing about unboxing videos is you can only do it in one take because you don't have the tape to redo it. So this is a massive box, and the Heil tagline is "Hearing is believing." What's going on here? There we go. That's good. Just like Christmas morning. Oh, and a whole bunch of foam peanuts. Just what I need. And there in the box, in the bottom of the box, the back of the box, is the PR-77D. Wow, look at that thing. It's a thing of beauty. Okay. It's lighter than I thought it was going to be. Let's open the box. And some instructions, PR-77D. Ooh, a nice Heil Sound sticker. I'll find a place of honor somewhere. So manual, and let's open this up. Whoops. So lots of foam packing, both in the box and around the mic itself. And more foam. And here's the big reveal. Ba-ba-da-ba! What do we got? Oh, look at that. It's got a little baggie I can wrap it up in. And here is the mic itself. Wow, that looks really sweet. And again, lighter than I thought. It's nice. The music voice switch on the back, XLR input, and I can adjust it like so. Awesome. And I love the color. That looks really nice. What I'm going to do is I'm going to find some way to set this up. So it's got a little insert. I can use it with a big mic stand, I'm assuming, and maybe with my boom arm. So that's what that is, yeah. So what I'm going to do is exactly that. I will put this beautiful microphone right here on the foam. And I'm going to go find myself a boom arm and see what it looks like with that. And I'm going to go find myself a desk stand and plug it in, try it out, see how that goes. Again, as mentioned, this is an XLR mic with a 3-pin XLR input. And so it's going to need an audio interface to connect up to my Mac. And as luck would have it, the same day that the box from Heil arrived from the United States, this box arrived from FocusRite in the UK. And this was another Black Friday purchase. And it's really amazing, actually, when you think about it, that the goods from the US and the goods from the UK arrived literally minutes apart with two different international carriers, UPS and FedEx. There we go. Inside the bag is a brown cardboard box. And inside the cardboard box, I bet you there's going to be another cardboard box. Inside the cardboard box is a cardboard box Scarlett 2i2 This is the 3rd generation one. So it will have the same features as the previous generation, except it's a USB-C now. I think it's got a different front plate, so open that up. Oh yeah. Yeah, I've had a couple of Focusrites before. They are a thing of beauty. Nice anodized aluminum outside. And man, they really don't want you to get in and play with your gear, do they? So get rid of the bag. Yeah, so there's the Focusrite in a nice shiny shiny front, the 2 XLR TRS inputs, phantom power monitor, and at the back line outputs and USB-C. So I have that, and what do we have here? I suspect a USB-C cable. Yep, USB-C to USB, whatever standard, flat. And that's it. So I now have purple Heil Mic, red Focusrite, and let's connect this stuff up, shall we? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my audio tickle trunk. And this is a steam whistle lunchbox from our friends at Steam Whistle Brewing. Used to have beer in it a long time ago. And what I need from here is an XLR cable. I'm sure I have one. Yeah, XLR. There we go. So that end will go into the mic. And that end will go into the Focusrite. So I got the cable, that's good. And here in the bottom of the tickle trunk, I have a desk mic stand. So I'll put that together for the Heil Mic. So again, here we are. We've got the desk stand and the mic, and just a matter of put these things together. Oh yeah, that works slick. And there we have a nice looking mic on a stand. Obviously it's really close to the camera. That's what it looks like. It feels like a really sort of a Johnny Carson kind of late night talk show host kind of rig. All right, so here's desk, here's talk show host. Here's a microphone, which my desk stand is a little bit too tall for, because I'm looking, my eyes are right here on the band of the mic, and really I think the mic should be down a little bit closer to my mouth. And I got the XLR patched in there. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my Rodecaster PSA arm and see if that makes a difference. So stay tuned. All right, I'm back. Well, this looks pretty good. And cables at the back, and I could adjust that. Microphone, get it just how I want. I suspect that I could even take this bolt out, flip it around, and then have the mic up the other way. Let's try that. Yeah, I'm thinking this is probably the way to do it. A desk mic up so the logo's facing up. XLR cable attached to the Rodecaster stand. Yeah, mic is nice and sturdy. I thought this might be a little too heavy for the stand, but it seems to be just right. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hook up the Focusrite and get rid of this, this wireless gear, and we'll see how it sounds. All right, so what we've got here is the FocusRite Scarlett 2i2. Phantom power, 48 volts, is set to on to power the mic. Mic is, the gains turn up to 50%. Needs to go all the way up to about 100% to start seeing the green there, but we're not getting any red, so there's no clipping, that's good. I'm using audio hijack to record from the microphone, and the mic shows up as a Scarlett 2i2 USB. And again, I'm using my own USB-C to USB-C cable versus the USB-C to standard flat USB cable that came with the Focusrite. So we'll have to see how this sounds in post-production because I'm not monitoring it live as we go along. So me, la 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 la, pop 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 pop. Do we get any pop noises? What about deep sigh? Things like that, soft noises, loud noises. How does all this stuff fit together? And like I said, I'm not monitoring this, but I could if I wanted to. So that's the setup. And again, this is a cardioid pattern, so it should be fine with the mic turned this way. And if I turn the mic sideways, I should be able to hear less. If I turn the mic backwards, I should hear less. By the way, the mic is set to voice, and sideways and front. So there we have it. The brand new Heil PR-77D. Well, brand new to me, not brand new to Heil, but a nice looking mic. And we'll have to see how all this sounds when I take the video and the audio from the camera and the audio from the Focusrite and audio hijack and mix it all together.